Hi, I'm MJ Nardillo, President of Pathlight Investors, here with your Pathlight Insight. One of the core tenets of our firm is to be open and accessible. And as an investment manager, what we'd like to do is share what we're doing in this environment. Now, we've had an equity bull market for more than 4 years. And when you combine that run-up in prices with some of the near-term challenges that are being faced, namely potential strike against Syria, a Fed tapering, which is affecting interest rates, as well as another debt ceiling debate that should happen in mid-October, there's enough to worry about. So part of our job as an active manager is to balance the opportunities in the long run with the near-term challenges. And given the fact that prices have come up so much, values are not as compelling as they were, say, 6 months or 12 months ago. That has led us to do some selling and raise cash in portfolios. You see, we view cash as a great hedge or buffer to downside. A lot of people are seeking really unique instruments to try to gain when markets go down. But the problem with that is they can be major detractors if we have a continued move higher. So we view cash as a great way to provide that buffer or insurance should there be some short-term noise. And since our clients are longer-term investors and we prefer to take a longer-term view in the investment world, we like having that cash ready. Should a small correction or pullback happen, we are able to take advantage of that opportunity and not be forced sellers into a downward market. We think at the core of being an active manager is to balance that risk and reward. And part of it is understanding that price does matter and value does matter. So when prices get a bit extended or valuations are full, you really have to ask yourself, how much more upside is there in this company? Or should I no longer be greedy and just capture profits, exercise a bit of patience, and seek to redeploy that capital elsewhere at a lower price and with better opportunity? And that's what we've been doing of late. So right now we're being a bit patient. We're looking globally for undervalued assets that have strong characteristics from an investment perspective, and we're going to ultimately redeploy that capital elsewhere. For example, recently we sold a position of Nokia, 3M, Conagra Foods, and Microsoft, all because we thought the valuations got stretched and we wanted to be smart and lock in profits. Hope you appreciate this inside look at what we've been doing in portfolios. Please feel free to contact us with any questions. Thanks a lot.